This master suite is packed with natural light and has a cool, calming design. To add tranquility throughout the entire space, a soft shade of blue covers the walls, the trim, and the ceiling. There's a low-slung, mid-century modern upholstered bed, flanked by a pair of chests with tons of storage. The room is also packed with organic textures, including a geometric rug and solid and patterned throw pillows. And I added oversized photography for a finishing touch. Just around the corner is an attached master bathroom with a modern farmhouse feel. The biggest standout feature in this bathroom is the floating shelf vanity made of butcher block. It's got the perfect amount of contrast against the stark white walls. There's a pair of bright white porcelain sinks, and the jewelry in this room has got to be the matte black wall-mounted plumbing fixtures. The walk-in shower has floor-to-ceiling tile run vertically, and there's no shortage of spa-like features. This master suite has everything you need for a calm and relaxing retreat.